harvest this kale that I've been talking about.
I want to hide it. Let don't.
Smells so sweet. They're going to be so good for dinner tonight. Got a snail on one of them. Let's get that off of there. We got to clean these kales off real good. Look at this snail. Didn't want that. This is what we got so far in our baskets. Look at that. Wonderful. Looks amazing. So let's go ahead and finish. I got the tires to do and the one in the greenhouse. Let's get that done. Okay, let's get this one. So we're going to start down here at the bottom, all around the edges. We only got 3 or 4 plants over here, so it's not that many. This one is, that leaf was dead, so we tossed that. So we are almost done with this one. Let's put this in our basket over here. Okay. Let's get some more. Get the last few. We're going to get the ones in the greenhouse. Excuse this wood in my background. Yeah, we are spring cleaning and spring building. All that wood is going to be for to fix a hole in my fence at the backyard so the puppies won't keep running out when we let them out to play. So that's why. Yeah, I see all this wood. I'm trying to walk around. Now, let's get the one in the greenhouse. So, as I'm getting these, we always want to leave a couple of ones so they can grow back on each plant. So after you get you a nice amount done, you want to pay attention, especially if you plant them closely like I do. You want to try to start paying attention once they start figuring out to like which plants you are breaking off of, so you can leave a leaf or two for the photosynthesis.
Do you know one animal can eat a fruit?
What animal is that?
It's a rhino.
Oh, rhino eat fruits?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
And,
Layla said rhinos
and,
eat fruits.
and do you know another animal eat poos?
No, what's that?
A gorilla and a monkey.
Oh, now I knew they did. They eat bananas.
But and gorilla.
Yep.
Gorilla.
So we are almost done, you guys. I'm gonna put this camera down so I can be a little faster, and I will let y'all see the outcome when I get done. So this is what the plants look like in a greenhouse so far. We're gonna leave those leaves just for photosynthesis. I might get the last little 3 big ones, but other than that, that is it. That is what we got left. Let me show y'all what's in the basket real quick. Let's go look at that. So all these greens is what we got from those plants. From those small amount of plants. There's not that many plants, especially compared to commercial farming. I got one more kill over here. Let me not squish it. But it's kind of struggling. That one's struggling. But yeah, so this is what the rest of them look like. Let me show y'all. So I got 1 or 2 leaves here left for photosynthesis. 1 or 2 leaves here. This is a real thin kale plant right here. So yeah, I had a Swiss chard seedling over here. I guess it must have died out. This one can go and fall out, and the dogs can eat it. Oh, I didn't get the Swiss chard, so let's do the Swiss chard. I got the kale. This is what we are leaving for growth. Yeah. So let's do the Swiss chard. I think I need scissors. I don't know. Let's try to break it off. Okay, no, I don't. Just gotta do one plant, one piece at a time. So let's do all the outer leaves. All the outer leaves. The sun is coming out, you guys. It's supposed to rain later on, about 3 or 4 in the evening. Okay, look at that. That's the Swiss chard. So we are harvesting in March down here in Zone 8B. We are harvesting our spring greens. You guys, the kale and the collard greens that you can grow in the spring. And you still got that iffy weather, and the real spring is not quite here. Now those leaves that's eaten up, I'm not going to cook those. Alright, we are done with the harvest. The garden looks better. Look, these plants are going to grow so fast and come back. They're going to be twice the size next time. So that is how my kale grow down here in Mississippi. They get real big and they come back real fast after I start harvesting it. And they get even bigger than the last harvest. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, what are you guys growing this spring? What are you guys harvesting in March? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Again, this is Nisha B in Mississippi. I grow in Zone 8B.